What is up, Crypt Nation? How you guys doing today? I hope life's good. I hope life is as good as this crypto market is exciting.
I hope it's a lot better than that, man, because today's news day is extremely slow. So we had to pick out a couple of minorly interesting things.
This is minor league stuff.
That's okay. We're going to blow through this really, really fast, okay?
Well, the most exciting thing is that Bitcoin's price is recovering. Had a 20% drop yesterday. That's pretty big for a $180 billion asset class to shave off 20% in a couple hours.
Thanks to BitMEX margin calls, as usual.
All right.
Ridiculous. Okay, real quick. Cannabis company using blockchain to track shipments.
Woo!
Could be any farming product, but Uruguay Can, a leading South American cannabis producer, has joined forces with the Eternity blockchain network.
We love Eternity. Those guys kick
we
ass.
do. The alliance will allow Eternity to develop a supply chain management solution that will leverage new technologies such as distributed ledger, Internet of Things, and others to register and track cannabis strains from the seed to the end product. And once this is developed, it could be applied to anything. So that's the really interesting news in this.
Yeah, it is exciting to see the potential of what could happen from farm to table blockchain tracking.
And this part made me laugh. Apparently, there's such a thing as fake weed going around.
Yes.
That this could potentially help fight against.
In other news, we have a new report from KPMG. They're one of the big accounting firms. And this survey says that U.S. consumers are highly willing to use blockchain tokens. In fact, it said 63% of American consumers perceive blockchain tokens to be an easy form of payment, which it is. And, you know, they're a big four auditor, so they do all the taxes and auditing and stuff for mega corporations around the world. The statistic that they cited as well, 82% of consumers are open to using blockchain tokens as a part of an existing loyalty program. And 81% of that group said that they would trust the use of tokens if they were more readily available and if they were already signed up into the firm's loyalty program. So we're talking like airline miles and stuff like that. And then lastly, they said 79% of surveyed respondents said they were going to be willing to use blockchain tokens if they were intuitive and engaging and simple. So basically, high level, this is a report that says that American consumers are warming up to this idea. The blockchain tokens will be a part of their lives.
Which is outstanding, especially because who did this survey? You know they're going to have a good focus group. That's not just a bunch of crypto enthusiasts already. This is just average people.
This is actually something that is not on our list to talk about, but H&R Block just came out today. I saw with crypto guidance. So if you use H&R Block, they are now telling all of their tax advisors and stuff how to deal with people who have cryptocurrency. So H&R Block plus crypto, that's pretty big.
That's great.
Yeah.
I went to H&R Block before and I asked them about crypto and they're just like, okay. Yeah, that was great. I was like, cool. If you're not going to say anything, I'm not going to say anything.
Yeah.
That was just very recently.
And then the last bit of news we have, so Ethereum gas prices have been skyrocketing. And this is good because you want to see, so gas prices are tightly correlated with mining fees and the price action of Bitcoin and the price, supply and demand. Exactly. So the more people are using the network and the more full the blocks are getting, it represents increased demand for that network. So there were some other ancillary effects. Why don't you get into those?
Yeah, so there's a platform called DeFi Saver, which is supposed to be a one-stop shop for decentralized financing options. It gives you the rates between Compound Finance and MakerDAO and some other things to get the best price for lending. But their smart contracts couldn't pay the gas fees thanks to some stupid lottery game that's hogging like 59% of all the gas fees on Ethereum right now. We get a story like this every now and then, like some exchange giveaway or some dumb game is literally bringing Ethereum to a crawl.
Yeah. Like, oh, so this is where hopefully sharding and proof of stake and Ethereum's 2.0 protocol will really alleviate some of these intermittent points of congestion.
Yeah. I think that's it.
I think that's it for today. Let's just take a look at the price of Bitcoin real quick. It looks like it's rebounding pretty well here. We're stabilized down here in the 8,500 range. This feels pretty good. Let's look at the Ethereum.
And you've been calling 8K for weeks.
I've been calling 8K for the last, literally since Bitcoin hit 14K. I said 8K is what's going to be happening eventually.
So we're not surprised.
So-
I know I got a lot of text messages yesterday from people who are, and I just said,
Yeah, it's like
there's nothing happening. This is just normal.
this is just business as usual.
Yep.
Bitcoin's a volatile market. Anyhow, yeah. So the price action looks pretty good here. Ethereum bounced back down into support. High volume trading sessions down at 170, 180. So guys, this is a buy the dip moment for us. This is not financial advice. This is educational advice only. Take it easy.
Later.
Love y'all.